How to fix event ID 5137, a directory service object was created on Windows. To fix the event ID 5137 issues, you need to review the event details and verify the legitimacy of the object creation. You also need to audit the Active Directory changes and use security assessment tools to detect any unauthorized or suspicious activity. Here are some steps you can follow. 1. Review the event details and verify the legitimacy. Press the Windows key, type Event Viewer, and click Open. Go to Windows Logs, then Security. Find the event with ID 5137 and click on it. Check the details of the object that was created, such as the name, type, GUID, and location. If you recognize the object and the subject who created it, then it may be a legitimate action. If not, then it may be a sign of a security breach or misconfiguration. 2. Audit Active Directory changes. Press Windows plus R to open the Run box. Type bedite.msc and click OK to open Group Policy Editor. Go to Computer Configuration, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Advanced Audit Policy Configuration, System Audit Policies, Local Group Policy, Object DS Access. Enable Audit Directory Service changes for success and failure events. This will help you monitor and track any changes made to the Active Directory objects. 3. Use security assessment tools. You can also use some security assessment tools to scan your Active Directory environment for any vulnerabilities or threats. Some examples of such tools are Microsoft Baseline Security Analyzer, MBSA, Microsoft Security Compliance Toolkit, SCT, or Manage Engine AD Manager Plus. These tools can help you identify and fix any security issues or misconfigurations in your Active Directory. FYI, Event ID 5137 is a specific event log entry in the Windows Event Viewer related to the Active Directory service in a Windows environment. When an object is created in Active Directory, such as a user account, group, or organizational unit, the event is logged with this event. The event provides information such as the security ID, username, domain name, and logon ID of the subject who created the object, the name, type, and unique identifier, GUID, of the object that was created, the name and type of the directory service where the object was created. This event can be used to monitor and audit the creation of directory service objects for security and compliance purposes. It can also help troubleshoot any issues or errors related to object creation.